Hello and welcome to the CF07 response file installation video. My name is Ben Parker and I'll be walking you through the steps and procedures to install CF07 on your Portal 85 server using silent or response file methods. This video is intended for standalone Portal upgrades. Please refer to the CF installation document if you are upgrading a cluster. There are a few other prerequisite steps that should be considered when upgrading a cluster. We're going to start out by extracting the CF07 download files, which I've already done. This is the folder here that the files will be extracted into. When you open up that folder, you're going to see two zip files, a health check tool and the actual CF07 zip. Let's go ahead and extract the health check tool to the Portal binaries directory. And that'll be the IBM WebSphere Portal server directory. Basically the Portal server root directory. May I ask you if you want to overwrite some files? Select yes to all. And while we're running the health check, we're going to go ahead and extract the CF07 files as well. We're just going to put those in a temporary location to make it easy for future processes. So for now, what we need to do is let's go ahead and open up the health check README. That way we have the config engine task on hand that we need to run to check the health of your server before the upgrade. It's a config engine task, health-check-update. So we're going to go ahead and run that task. Just for your information, the Portal health check tool was added to Portal 85 as part of CF03 and future releases of cumulative fixes. The task that we will be running from the config engine directory will be config-engine.bat health-check-update. And we want to follow that with the dwas password and the dportal admin password. Once you finish typing this task, it should look exactly as it does here on my screen. I'm going to go ahead and run this task. After the task is completed, you can verify that it was successful with the build successful line there in the command prompt. The next step will be to copy the sample response file, which is the update file. I'm going to go ahead and put it in a temporary location for easy access. After the file is copied, we're going to go ahead and change the name of it and edit the file. In this response file, there's two entries that we need to change. The repository location, which will be the location where we extracted the CF07 zip file to. We put that in our temp directory. And here I'm going to verify the repository.config location. The second that we need to update will be the IM shared directory here. In default, it's set to a Linux directory, but for us, it's under C, IBM, IM shared. I'm going to verify that as well. Okay, everything looks good to go. We're going to go ahead and save this file and move forward with running the installation manager commands to install CF07. Before we actually move forward with running the IMCL commands, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that we don't have any WebSphere processes running, and that includes your WebSphere portal server and your configuration wizard server. So we're going to go ahead and stop the WebSphere portal server, and then next we're going to navigate to the app server profiles CW profile bin directory, and we're going to stop server 1. So now that we've got both of our servers stopped, our WebSphere portal server and our server 1, which is our configuration wizard server, we're going to navigate to our installation manager Eclipse tools directory. And in this instance, it's under Program Files, IBM, Installation Manager, Eclipse Tools. And this is where we're going to run our IMCL command. The command is IMCL -accept license -input, and this will be your full location for your response file, which will be your XML document that you edited. And then you have to specify a log file. You can put this wherever you would like and name it whatever you would like as well. And go ahead and run that task. This task won't write out any output into the command line, and it may take a while to complete. Please be patient and don't stop the process that's happening. As I said, it could take a while to complete based on what the hardware is that you're running on your server. For this video, I've sped it up quite a bit and expedited the process of the recording here. After your command completes, it should print a similar command line message as you can see here on my screen. The next step in the upgrade process is to run the 2 additional upgrade tasks to upgrade the profile of the server. These are both config engine tasks and should be run from the WP profile config engine directory. The first task will be config engine pre-apply-fix. Like previously, when the config engine task completes successfully, you should see a build successful message in the command line. The second task we're going to run is config engine apply-fix. And for this task, we're going to attach the DWAS admin password and the dportal admin password. Your command should match the one that I have input here in my command line. This second additional configuration step is expected to take a long time to complete. So please be patient and let the task run until completed. The apply fix task should also end with a build successful message at the end of the command line. At this point in time, you've upgraded your binaries and your profile, and you should be at the point where your portal server is up and running. It's best practice to go ahead and pull up your portal server in the browser and make sure that you can log in without any problems. As for last comments on this video is intended for use for CF01 through CF07, Portal 8.5. If you're upgrading a later version of Portal, be sure to follow the instructions for that fix level. Thanks for watching.